Okay, so not bad for my very first time doing this ever. Tint, I'm not a tint guy, but you can see I got a little crease right there. Hard to see. So you guys can see it. But yeah, basically there's a tiny crease. You can't tell though. And it just, that slight thing changes this rig. Like holy, that difference. And it's not that dark. Like you can see the amber still, which is nice. It's just darker. So it kind of fits the blackout look. Wow, let's do the other side here. I'll leave the link for this product. Super simple. I've never done anything like this and I can do it. So I'm just a guy in my garage with no clue what I'm doing. My girlfriend's hairdryer. A squeegee I bought for a wrap that I never did like 4 years ago. So I have this around, which is perfect. Make sure you guys have like these microfiber ends so you don't scuff the tint. Super easy, just clean it. Just like this, just soap it up. Clean that whole area just so you don't have any issues there in terms of debris. Just get everything out of that area. And then from there, grab your tint, squirt this up, squirt your tint, put it on. It's gonna be super slippery. And then, yeah, just push in the middle when you want, and then just start working it out. Get some heat on there. You could see the first time I used the heat, it wasn't ready yet, so it started coming up. So make sure you use the heat when it's actually stuck, so you don't blow the tint off your truck. There it is with the tint. Still very noticeable. Don't even worry about it being illegal. That is not even a question, but it looks awesome. It just darkens it up. It makes it look sharper with that theme I'm going for, which is the black. So guys, this mod literally took like 2 seconds. So if I can do it, you guys can definitely do it. Link in the description for the product. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.